Okay, so we've successfully installed a line lock kit on our C8, and now we have it all laid back out. We have our pre-bent lines already bent. We have our metric fittings on one side, the 3/16 on the other side. So what we're doing here is putting together a kit here. So if y'all are interested in a line lock kit for your C8, definitely let us know, and we'll start putting these kits together. That way there's no flaring, there's no cutting, there's no bending. It should just be a plug and play. Okay, so we're going to be disconnecting the brake hose from the brake line right here in this conjunction. Okay, we'll let that finish draining. We have the drain pan underneath there. Okay, so we're going to be installing the line lock in this flat area right here. We will leave the solenoid a little loose. It will make it a little bit easier to put on the lines. We'll put on our first adapter. Now we will install the line that leads from the hose back to the solenoid. Another line going from the factory line to the solenoid, where the M10 by 10 has to go into the adapter. Okay, so now we just simply tighten up the solenoid, tighten up all the flare, bleed the brakes, move on to electrical, and that is all there is to it.